Hi, my name is Sarah, and this is our van temporarily named Rusty Rita for this reason. You can see we had a lot of rust holes, and then we fixed them with POR 15 and fiberglass. To fix it, we first had to take off the side panel, and now we have to find a way to put them back on. So our plan is to pop some of them back in the hole, the ones that weren't rusted, here, with some sealant on them, and then the ones that we put fiberglass with POR 50, we are just going to glue to the spot without having the clip thing on it. So we're just going to glue. And then we're going to seal the top and see if that makes things waterproof. Which ones?
Work your magic on these two.
Alright. That looked easy. What's the stuff?
That's just waterproof sealant. Black super weather strip and gasket adhesive. Looks like little worms.
Ew.
Give it a shot.
Give it a shot.
Put this on.
Alright, side's back on. And we are going to try the other side after we see if this side worked. Catch you soon.
Just applying some of this weather strip adhesive on the hole and also on the plugs. Which will be right here. So go ahead and do that. Get them up real good. I don't think you can have too much. We're trying to prevent all water from coming into the van like it was. And it was coming through these holes. So. And as you can see, a lot of our holes are no longer existent because they were giant holes about this big, all rusted out, fiberglassed over them. So we're gonna use the holes that still exist and then just seal this panel back on just on the top. You want to leave a little bit of room open on the bottom so moisture can still get out. Little redneck fix, but I think it'll do. I'm also going to put some of this adhesive around the whole outer edge of the panel. Help secure it on since I don't really have a lot of these plugs up in the top end. Then we're going to use our sealant after we put it on like we did on the other side. And I did test it today with a hose. No water got through, so that's good. Just a little side note on these guys here. If you're not sure how to get them out, don't just pull on them, you're going to rip them out. There's two little notches in the back. So I'm going to get behind there with a flathead. Up in the top. Come around to the bottom. Gotta do one-handed. There you go. That's what the back looks like. So I got the panel put back on. A little loose up here because obviously we only have one plug. The rest we couldn't get in, so we're going to use our sealant here. Get her fixed up. And a little bit's going to keep getting cut off, but we'll use our finger and smooth that out in a minute. Really want to get this side good. I don't want any water getting in there. A little better. Obviously the van's a mess. We still have to paint it. Done a lot of sanding and whatnot.
So we officially got all our side panels put back on and our van is officially waterproof. We hope that you guys enjoyed our video and that it was helpful for you. Please hit that subscribe button and the bell so you know when we get a new video put out, and we hope to see you guys soon.